Hi, my name's Brian, and today I'm doing a Made for Life in Canada testing video. Today I am testing the Mastercraft reciprocating saw blade 21-piece set. I love this packaging. On the back, I love how it explains every single blade, what it does, the teeth, and what materials. The only fault I have with this packaging is on the front, where you can see the blades, if it's tipped upside down by accident, can easily fall out without it being opened. One day I was wearing sandals and I nearly got stabbed in the foot. Other than that, the packaging is just fine. So today we will be doing 3 cuts. Wood with metal, just wood, and just metal. Okay, let's get started. And safety first. So this is the 14 TPI bi-metal blade that'll be going through wood and metal. Very easy. There we go. As you can see, slice through the wood, no problem. Through the metal, 2 seconds. Very easy. Little plane off the blade, still nice and cool to the touch. Teeth are still good. On to just the wood. Here we go. Sorry, I was hitting metal. Let's go a little further back where it's just wood. As you can see, that was much easier that time. And now we'll do the third and final blade of just metal. And this is a piece of cheap iron, maybe about 1/8 to 1/16 of an inch thick. And for this, we will be using the 18 TPI blade metal, bi-metal blade, sorry. Here we go. Again, easily no problems there. So after using these blades to actually build my son's treehouse, here is one of the used ones. As you can see, after many uses and heat buildup, the teeth are still great. The only issue is with the thinner metal, they do tend to warp a little bit. My name's Brian, and this has been a video for Made for Life in Canada. Thank you.